Hello guys, today we're going to be making instant oatmeal. Let's get started. I'm going to be, already got them out. I'm going to get 2 strawberries, but first I'm going to do one. You get a bowl. You open it from the line. Let's do that real quick. It's really hard to open that and it goes like a string. Then you pour this in the bowl. Then you get this and you see the line. You get the milk. Yes. Then you go to the Got it. Then you want to get this. If you need a partner, just ask for help. And you just tell them to do this, like to open like this. And then you pour the milk and you look inside and you see the line right there. You go until the line. Then you could do it. And then you put it in the microwave for 250 seconds. Yeah, so 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's see if I can do it myself. I hope. Peter, can you help me? Can you help me? He's gonna come in. Come on, give me. So now, he's gonna help me. You open it like this. And I gotta look for the line. If you spill it, it's okay. You just clean it. There, that's enough. And then you get this. And you pour it in here. Oops, I put my hand in the way. Then you hop it in the microwave for 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's hop it in the microwave. Okay, just time cook 250. Oops. Then you need to wait. Wait, I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I'm waiting. Let's wait, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Oh, so yeah, I forgot. No, I didn't. We need the milk again for the other one. So we gotta wait, guys.
You never told me that you need a
Gymnastics quiz. Can you do a cartwheel? Yes, I can do a cartwheel. Let's just wait and I'm gonna make it like another video. Right now. Gymnastics quiz. Can you do a cartwheel? Of course. Can you do a one? No, I can't do a round though. Can you do a 1-hand cartwheel? Of course. Can you do a backbend? Yep. I'm coming for you guys. Hello. Okay. Hello guys. I'm back from my back bend. Gotta smooth my hair back out. Let's see how many minutes. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Still, guys. What's about celebrate that I have 41 subscribers? Let's celebrate. Thank you so much for 41 subscribers. This is blessing that the money. This is by getting money. Get for 40, officially 40 more seconds. Let's just do the gymnastics quiz again, guys. While we wait. Okay, can you do a correct? Yes. Whoops. It's a little bit bad. Let's try again. Can you do a correct? Yes. Can you do round up? No. Can you do one hand curl? Yes. Oops, sorry, the one bites that. Can you do a back bend? Yep, I can. Oops.
There.
That sounded like a beat. I gotta be careful.
That's it.
Let's go.
I'll open it.
We gotta open it and you get it out. And this is the last step.
Why
If
is
you're-
it a little bit?
If you're, because it's like that. You will just see a little bit because you did not pour milk. You need to put a little bit of milk so it's not too hot. Or an ice cube, but I'd rather put milk.
I'd rather put ice cube. I like ice cube, Nana.
It's better with milk because it makes it more soft.
Yeah, you guys are, Nana, you're right. There's no ice cubes.
Oh,
sorry,
guys.
Wait, are you okay?
Yeah, you guys are okay. Say, guys. This is a YouTube video. We're gonna put a little bit of milk. Is it in YouTube? Not yet. And now I'm gonna show you the results.
And now we
We get a spoon or fork, whatever.
a spoon.
We get a spoon.
Give
Hey,
me
give me that. It's for my video, please. We don't fight. We don't fight.
Fine.
Thank you very much. And then we want to stir it, guys. Here, I'll hold the phone for you.
No,
Like this. No. I'm sorry, guys. I put my finger on you. We stir. Careful, because it's still hot. And if it's still hot, then you just want to put a little bit more milk. Mine's a little bit hard still. Let's just put a little bit more milk.
No, it's okay like that. I like it hot.
Wait.
I like mine hot.
That's Ariana's.
Oh, what flavor is it?
Strawberry.
Oh.
Let's put it, guys.
I'm a little cuckoo. I thought that was mine. I
I
like
put a little bit too much.
I like blueberry.
A little bit too much because it's gonna be splashed in so
Look at that.
watery.
Look at that.
Gideon, stop showing them the table. Stop showing them the table. Show them the fast meal.
I'm trying to show them the mess that the restaurant makes. Because
Keep
you're
stirring.
Woo.
Can I say
This
stop?
girl has a job. She's 16. She can even drive a car. She could cook. Mama, give
I
me
cannot cook. I hope I not cook a lot, but I don't know how to cook. I could do mac and cheese in the microwave. I could do oatmeal and nothing else.
Why you got me strawberry?
I thought you wanted strawberry.
I said I wanted
Keep
blueberry.
stirring till I say stop it. No more stirring. That's enough. Then you're gonna have 2 big old spoons, guys.
Hey, how dare you put this away?
I'm
Nina,
sure
are
this
you
is-
getting one? Are you getting one?
Dun, 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 dun,
Are
dun.
you getting one, Nina?
Okay,
Are
guys.
you getting one? Okay.
Dun, 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 dun. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.